ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತರು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರವರು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಡಿಂಪನಾ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರಿ ಕೆಜಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. She got the first place, blast the balloon, frog race, first place. Please clap her and appreciate her. On the stage, 100 meters of running race, first place, bucket in the ball, first place, sack race, first place, cotton picking with her nose, first place. Please congratulate her with your claps. Anika from pre-KG, she got a second place, 200 meters of running race, frog race second place, blast the balloon. Congratulations, Anika. Thank you. Anika from pre-KG, she got a second place, bucket in the ball, sack race second place. Please clap her and appreciate her. Pre-KG, 100 meters of running race, third place, frog race, third place, cotton picking with a nose, third place. Congratulations. She got a second place, blast the balloon and cotton picking with a nose. Please welcome her on the stage. Please clap her and appreciate her. Shri from pre-KG, sack race, third place. Clap her and appreciate her. Congratulations. Thank you. From pre-KG, she got a third place. Blast the balloon. Please welcome her on the stage. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. From LKG, he got a second place in 100 meters of running race. Sack race second place. Please welcome him on the stage. Congratulations. Dhanvir from LKG, he got a third place in a frog race. Please clap him and appreciate him. Congratulations. She got a first place in cotton picking with a nose. Please welcome her on the stage. Please appreciate her with your claps. From LKG, she got a bucket in the ball second place. Please clap her and appreciate her. Congratulations. From LKG, she got a third place frog race. Blast the balloon third place. Please clap her and appreciate her. ಇವರೆಗೂ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಯಶೋಧ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೋಹಿತ್ ಗೌಡ ಫ್ರಮ್ LKG, he got a third place 100 meters of running race. Please clap him and congratulate him.
ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಣಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಪ್ಪು ಕೈ
from LKG, he got a first place in bucket in the ball, blast the balloon. Please welcome him on the stage and clap him and appreciate him with your claps. From LKG, frog race, he got a second place. Please clap him and appreciate him. Tanush Gowda from LKG, sack race third place, cotton picking with a nose third place. Clap him and appreciate him with your claps. Yadya from LKG, please welcome her on the stage. She got a first place, 100 meters of running race, sack race first place, frog race first place. Please congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations. Stage. She got a first place, cotton picking with a nose. Please clap her and appreciate her. Congratulations. from UKG. She got a second place, 100 meters of running race, bucket in the ball, second place, frog race, second place, blast the balloon, second place. Please congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations. Haripriya from UKG, please welcome her on the stage. She got a second place in sack race, musical chair, second place, cotton picking with nose. Please clap her and congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations. UKG, she got a third place, 100 meters of running race, bucket in the ball, third place, frog race, third place. Please congratulate her with your claps. 100 meters of running race, first place, 200 meter running race, first place, bucket in the ball, first place, sack race, first place, frog race, first place, musical chair, first place, blast the balloon, first place. Please congratulate him with your claps. Congratulations. Third place, picking cotton with your nose. Congratulate him with your claps. 23-24ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಪೋಷಕರ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಈಗ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಇದರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನವನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರವರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡಿಂಪಲಾ ಬಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರಿ-ಕೆಜಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಮಿಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಸವರಾಜು ಕಪಲ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. Preeti and Basavaraju picking the wife, second place. Mrs. Preeti picking the cotton with your nose, second place. Mr. Basavaraju blast the balloon in gent section, first place. Mrs. Preeti blast the balloon in a ladies, third place. Please congratulate her with your claps. From pre-KG parents, Mrs. Apurva, she got the first place, blast the balloon in a ladies. Mrs. Apurva passed the balloon in a water, second place. Mrs. Apurva sack race ladies section, third place. Mr. Mahesh sack race gent section, third place. Mr. Mahesh blast the balloon gent section, third place. Please welcome their parents Apurva and Mahesh. Congratulations with your claps. From pre-KG, the parents Mrs. Nandini and Amarnath picking the wife, first place. Mrs. Nandini passing the ball, first place. Mrs. Nandini sack race ladies, first place. Mrs. Nandini lemon and spoon ladies section, second place. Mrs. Nandini straw with the jumps, third place. Please welcome her on the stage. Congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations madam. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಯಶೋಧ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Itashri from pre-KG parents, Mrs. Ranjita cups pyramid, first place. Mrs. Ranjita pass the ball in a water, first place. Mr. Sharath blast the balloon on a gent section, second place. Mr. Sharath blast the balloon in a gent section, second place. Please welcome her on the stage. Congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations madam. From LKG, a parent Mr. Manjunath musical chair, second place. Mr. Manjunath gent section lemon and spoon, second place. He is not attend the function, so his wife is collecting his prize. Please welcome her on the stage and congratulate them with your claps. Congratulations madam. From LKG parents Mrs. Geeta musical chair, first place. Mr. Dolaswamy cup pyramid, second place. Please welcome him on the stage and congratulate him with your claps. Congratulations sir. Parents Mrs. Shweta lemon and spoon ladies section, third place. Mrs. Shweta picking the gems with a straw, second place. Please welcome her on the stage and congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations madam. Mr. Raghu passing the ball in a water, second place. Mr. Raghu lemon and spoon in a gent section, first place. Please welcome him on the stage. Congratulate him with your claps. In a gent section, first place. Please welcome him on the stage. Congratulate him with your claps. Congratulations, sir. Mr. Chandu, pass the ball in a water, third place. Mr. Chandu, lemon and spoon joint section is the third place. Mr. Chandu, sack race second place in a joint section. He is not attend the function, so his friend is collecting his prize. Please welcome him on the stage and congratulate him with your claps. Convey our congratulations to you from UKG parents. Mrs. Pushpa, lemon and spoon ladies section first prize. Mrs. Pushpa, sack race second place. Mrs. Pushpa, musical chair third place. Mrs. Pushpa, bucket in the ball in a ladies section second place. Mrs. Pushpa, blast the balloon ladies section second place. Mrs. Pushpa, pass the ball second place. Mrs. Pushpa and Shant Kumar, picking the wife, couple game third place. Mrs. Pushpa and Shant Kumar, couple game, cap game third place. Mr. Shant Kumar, sack race gent section first place. Please welcome them on the stage. Both of you please come on the stage and collect your prize. Bani sir. Bani sir. Congratulations both of you. ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Anyashri from UKG, our parents, Mr. Somshekhar, passing the ball first place. Mrs. Abhilasha, picking the cotton with the nose first place. Mrs. Abhilasha, cup pyramid third place. Mrs. Abhilasha, passing the ball third place. Mrs. Abhilasha and Somshekhar, couple game, cap passing second place. Mr. Somshekhar, picking the wife. No, picking the jumps with the straw. First place. Mrs. Abhilasha, blast the balloon ladies section first place. Mr. Somshekhar, blast the balloon in a gent section first place. Please both of you come and collect your prize. Please welcome them on the stage. Congratulations both of you. 24, 23 and 24 academic year toppers list, and we are calling the names and we are giving a prize for them. This prize distribution we have to asking to do Srimati Gayatri Manjunath, Dipana from pre-KG. She got a 1698 marks, 97.58%. Pre-KG top first topper. Please welcome her on the stage and congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations. From pre-KG, second place, annual topper, 1660 marks, 95.40%. Please congratulate her with your class. Please welcome on the stage. Congratulations. From pre-KG, annual topper, third place, 1645 marks she got, 94.54%. Please welcome her on the stage and congratulate her with your claps. Thank you. 23 and 24 academic year LKG section annual topper Dhruti from LKG, 2747 marks, 98.45%. Please welcome her on the stage. Congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations Kanna. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ Dhanvir from LKG, 2023 and 24 academic year, second topper, 2740 marks, 98.20%. Please welcome him on the stage. Congratulate him with your claps. Congratulations, Kanna. Anush Kauda from LKG, 2023 and 24 academic year annual We are asking to distribute the prize from my UKG students. Sangeeta, teacher of pre-KG, Vidyaspurta International School. Now we are welcoming 2020 activities. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಟಾಪರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಟಾಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. 2023 and 24 academic year star board pre-KG first place Dimpana. She got 289 stars. Please welcome her on the stage and collect your first place on a star board. Congratulate her with your claps. Anika from pre-KG 2023 and 24 academic year star board second place 274 stars. Please welcome her on the stage and collect your appreciation star board award. Congratulate her with your claps. Dhruti from LKG 2023 and 24 academic year star board first place. She got 187 stars. Please welcome her on the stage. Collect your appreciation star board award. Congratulate her with your claps. Thank you. Anilama. 2023 and 24 academic year star board award. He got a second place. 180 star he got. Please welcome him on the stage and appreciate him with your claps. Congratulations. Hemant Gowda from UKG 2023 and 24 academic year star board award. He got the first place. 306 stars he got. Please welcome him on the stage and collect your appreciation star board award. Congratulations, Kanda. Congratulate him with your claps. Dhanyashri from UKG 2023 and 24 academic year star board. She got a second place, 293 stars. Please welcome her on the stage and congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations. 2023 and 24 academic year attendance toppers from pre-KG Lipika. She attended the classes 344 days. She attended total 344 days. Please welcome her on the stage and congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations, Lipika. 2023 and 24 academic year attendance second topper. She attended the classes 344 days. She attended 340 days. Please welcome her on the stage and congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations. Lohit Gowda from LKG 2023 and 24 academic year attendance topper. He got the first place. 344 days he attended the classes 342 days. Please welcome him on the stage. Congratulate him with your claps. Congratulations. And 24 academic year attendance topper. 344 days. She attended the classes 337 days. Please welcome her on the stage and congratulate her with your claps. Congratulations. Hemant Gowda from UKG 2023 and 24 academic year attendance topper first place. 344 days. He attended 344 days also. Please welcome him on the stage and congratulate him with your claps. Congratulations. Welcome. Yashri from UKG 2023 and 24 academic year attendance topper second place. 344 days. She attended 322 days. Please welcome her on the stage and congratulate her with your ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಲು ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶಾಲಾ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿದಂತ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರವರಿಗೂ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಾಲಾ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಯಶೋಧಾ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಾಲಾ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮನಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. Thank you so much.